Hi, I am Dr. Sivrani Santosh. I am a pediatrician. We see parents and especially grandparents, feeding lot of, not all, many of them feeding lot of junk foods, sweets, oily foods to the children, saying it's okay now, it's okay, let him enjoy. Anyway, when he is an adult, he'll take care, he'll lose all this extra weight and he'll be fit kind of approach. Okay, but let me tell you, by doing this you're doing a lot of harm to the child. So whatever this extra fat is there, it will go and deposit in the blood vessels of the child, and also the child is likely to develop something called insulin resistance. Insulin is a hormone secreted in our body and it is very important for proper utilization of the food we eat. So when we eat lot of junk food, processed food, what happens is body develops something called insulin resistance. So the insulin doesn't work properly. And how do we know that we have developed insulin resistance? There is blackish pigmentation on the neck, inner thighs, underarms, skin tags in these areas. So this predisposes the child to an early onset of diabetes, sugar problem later on in life. And this deposition of fat in the blood vessels will predispose the child to early onset of high BP, hypertension later on in life. So right now we will have to ensure the child develops healthy eating habits and eats a balanced diet, and we need to prevent this from happening, that is the deposition of fat in the blood vessels and the development of insulin resistance. This is known as primordial prevention. If the child has already developed these features, then also you can still intervene and prevent further damage. So this is known as primary prevention. If you don't take care at this point, then the child is likely to develop high blood pressure, then diabetes, then increased cholesterol level in the blood, increased fat level in the blood, fat deposition around the tummy. Okay, so even at this stage, if you don't intervene and you don't take care, then the person is likely to develop complications related to these issues like heart attack, heart disease, kidney disease. Okay, so all these problems. And in girls we see lot of PCOD. The ovaries will not function properly and these will lead to excess growth of hair on the face and infertility also. So right from the beginning you should focus on giving good balanced diet to the child and encouraging good exercise. That way we should focus on primordial prevention, and if we miss that, at least primary prevention, only then we are actually doing justice to the child. So I leave it to the parents now and the grandparents now to decide whether they want to take care of their child's health right from the beginning or wait for problems to start. Thank you.